Click on the link below to get price. The Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 air scrubber is a powerhouse in the realm of industrial air filtration systems, designed to meet the demanding needs of restoration professionals and those requiring superior air quality in challenging environments. With its robust construction and advanced filtration capabilities, it proves to be an invaluable tool for a range of applications, from water damage restoration to mold remediation and beyond. One of the standout features of the HEPA 700 is its powerful motor, which allows for a high airflow rate while maintaining efficient filtration. The unit employs a true HEPA filter, capable of trapping 97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, mold spores, and other allergens. This makes it particularly effective for indoor spaces plagued by pollutants, ensuring cleaner and healthier air. The optional activated carbon filter is another impressive aspect of the HEPA 700. It works in tandem with the HEPA filter to absorb odors and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, making it ideal for environments where unpleasant smells are prevalent, such as after a flood or fire. This dual filtration system not only enhances air quality but also contributes to a more pleasant working environment. Ease of use is another strong point for this air scrubber. The unit is lightweight and features a stackable design, allowing for easy transport and storage. Its intuitive control panel simplifies operation, enabling users to adjust fan speeds and monitor filter status effortlessly. Additionally, the durable housing is built to withstand the rigors of industrial use, ensuring longevity and reliability. However, it's worth noting that the HEPA 700 can be somewhat noisy at higher settings, which may be a consideration for those using it in residential settings. Despite this, the overall performance and effectiveness in air purification far outweigh this minor drawback. In summary, the Dri-Eaz HEPA 700 air scrubber stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone needing efficient, reliable air filtration in industrial applications. Its combination of HEPA and activated carbon filtration makes it a versatile and effective solution for